In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals FPS drops and packet loss, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, click into Marvel Rivals and then click into the properties in the launch option. Change it and basically copy paste it. What I have to do over here is launch option section, X out of this and turn the game on. Then basically go from there. This fixes a lot of issues, so I would highly recommend that you do the next thing is I want to click on the browse copy of the path that you see for the game here. This is again with Steam or I think Epic Game Launcher, whichever one is. Basically do that and type graphic settings to come to this specific page over here. Do browse on the desktop app and then paste whatever the game is the launcher. You can see I already have it here obviously, but basically then click into press option and do high performance. This is why you are having FPS drops and packet loss. Basically your computer is basically saying it is doing power saving for whatever reason is. The lower version because they almost don't let window decide what you want to have. So all of the energy is basically going into the game, so it doesn't get the FPS drops or the packet loss or all other bad stuff basically happening to the game. The final thing you can do is, because here you want to type in device manager, find the graphic card where it is under this display adapter. Right clicking into it and essentially doing update driver. So you can either do it from your computer or search it automatically. If you know how to do your graphic to update it where itself, you can Google that graphic card and find the update for that explicitly from there, and that's it, you are done.